a startup many thought would fail, a CEO who risked his last dollar, betting everything on one company. But somehow they didn't just survive, they changed the entire car industry. Here's how Elon Musk took Tesla from near bankruptcy to dominating electric vehicles. Chapter 1. Tesla wasn't even Musk's company. Tesla was founded in 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. Their idea was simple but bold: build electric cars that people actually want to drive. At the time, electric vehicles were seen as slow, boring, and impractical. Most major car companies had either abandoned electric vehicles or never taken them seriously. That's where Elon Musk came in. After making money from PayPal, Musk invested $27 million into Tesla and became chairman. But he wasn't just a passive investor. He wanted control, influence, and a long-term vision. By 2007, after internal conflicts, Musk pushed out the original CEO and took over leadership. This was the moment Tesla truly became his company. Chapter 2. The first big bet. Tesla's first product was the Roadster, launched in 2008. It was a high-end electric sports car. It was fast and expensive, built to prove that electric vehicles could compete with gasoline cars. But behind the scenes, things were falling apart. The Roadster faced production delays, engineering problems, and massive cost overruns. Tesla was burning millions every month and barely delivering cars. Then came the worst timing imaginable. Chapter 3. 2008, the nightmare year. 2008 wasn't just bad for Tesla, it was catastrophic. The global financial crisis hit. Investors pulled back. Big companies were collapsing. And Tesla? It was days away from bankruptcy. Musk later revealed that Tesla had only 3 days of cash left. Then, at the last possible moment, private investors stepped in, and the deal closed on Christmas Eve, saving Tesla from going under. At the same time, Musk had put all his personal money into Tesla and SpaceX. He didn't even own a house. He had to borrow money from friends to pay rent. This wasn't just a business risk, it was everything. Chapter 4. Surviving. Barely. That last-minute funding, around $40 million, saved Tesla from immediate collapse. But survival wasn't success. Tesla still had no stable production, no real profits, and massive uncertainty. Then came another lifeline. In 2010, Tesla received a $465 million loan from the U.S. Department of Energy and went public, raising $226 million. This gave Tesla something it never had before: time. Chapter 5. The real breakthrough. Tesla's first real success came with the Model S in 2012. This wasn't just another electric car. It was a luxury sedan, long range, and packed with software and innovation. Critics loved it, customers loved it, and for the first time, Tesla proved something crucial. Electric cars could be better than gas cars. This changed the entire narrative. Chapter 6. Building an empire. After the Model S, Tesla started expanding aggressively. They launched Model X, built gigafactories to scale battery production, and invested heavily in software and autonomy. Musk had a clear plan: start with expensive cars, use profits to build cheaper ones, and scale to mass production. It was called the Master Plan. But there was a problem. Tesla still wasn't consistently profitable. Chapter 7. The biggest risk. The Model 3 was supposed to change everything. It was Tesla's first mass-market car. Target price, approximately $35,000. Goal, hundreds of thousands of units per year. If Tesla succeeded, it would dominate the electric vehicle market. If it failed, it could destroy the company. Chapter 8. Production Hell. This was Tesla's second near-death moment. Scaling production turned out to be incredibly difficult. Musk later described it as production and logistics hell. Problems included factory bottlenecks, automation failures, and supply chain issues. At one point, Musk was sleeping in the factory. Employees worked extreme hours, and cars weren't being produced fast enough. And financially, Tesla was again on the edge. Chapter 9. The turning point. Despite everything, Tesla pushed through. By 2019, Model 3 production stabilized, deliveries increased rapidly, and revenue started growing. Tesla also raised billions from investors, improved manufacturing efficiency, and focused heavily on software and margins. Slowly, the company began doing something it had never done consistently before: making money. Chapter 10. Then everything changed. In 2020, Tesla became consistently profitable. It joined the S&P 500. Electric vehicle demand exploded globally. Tesla wasn't just surviving anymore, it was dominating. Key advantages: strong brand, advanced battery tech, software ecosystem, supercharger network. its stock skyrocketed, and Elon Musk became one of the richest people in the world. Chapter 11. Tesla becomes the leader. By the early 2020s, Tesla had transformed the auto industry. Major car companies like Ford and Volkswagen all rushed to build electric vehicles. Why? Because Tesla proved it could work. Tesla became the most valuable car company in the world, a global leader in electric vehicle production. It wasn't just selling cars, it was building energy systems, developing autonomous driving, and creating a software-driven ecosystem. Chapter 12. What made it work? Tesla's rise wasn't luck. It came down to a few key factors. First, extreme risk-taking. Musk invested everything he had, even when failure seemed likely. Second, long-term vision. Tesla wasn't trying to make quick profits. It was trying to change an entire industry. Third, vertical integration. Unlike traditional car companies, Tesla controls batteries, software, and manufacturing. Fourth, relentless execution. Even during near-bankruptcy moments, Tesla kept pushing forward. But what about now in 2026? As of 2026, Tesla is no longer a struggling startup. It is one of the dominant electric vehicle companies in the world, producing millions of vehicles annually, expanding globally with factories in the US, China, and Europe. Elon Musk's journey with Tesla shows that bold vision, relentless determination, and a willingness to risk everything, even personal fortune, can turn near-certain failure into groundbreaking success, reshaping entire industries along the way. It reminds us that innovation often comes with immense uncertainty, but those who persist, take calculated risks, and stay true to their mission can not only survive crises, they can change the world.